Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you're an aspiring developer just starting out and feeling overwhelmed by all the programming languages out there, relax, you have landed in the right place. Today, we are going to be breaking down the basics of JavaScript, the language that powers the web. So grab a cup of coffee, a notepad, and let's dive into the world of coding in a way that's easy to understand even if you've never written a single line of code before. So, what exactly is JavaScript? JavaScript is a scripting language used to make websites interactive. If you've ever clicked a button or filled a form, then you have seen JavaScript in action. Unlike HTML, which structures the web page, and CSS, which styles it, JavaScript is what brings your web page to life. You can think of it like this. HTML, which stands for Hypertext Markup Language, is the bones. CSS, which stands for Cascading Style Sheets, is the skin and clothes, and JavaScript is the personality that makes everything move and interact. Now let's get hands-on. I'm going to show you how easy it is to write your first JavaScript code, and all you really need is a browser and a simple text editor of your choice. For this, I'm going to be using Visual Studio Code, but you can use anyone you like. So let's open a new HTML file. Let's create a new HTML file and add this line of code inside the body tag. Once you have saved and opened this file in your browser, you should see a little pop-up that says welcome to JavaScript Basics, and just like that, you have written your first line of JavaScript code. That's how simple it can be to get started. Now let's move on to something foundational in programming: variables. Imagine variables as little boxes where you can store information like numbers or words that your program can use in the future. For example, if I want to store my name, I can create a variable and put my name inside like this. So whenever I want to use the word name, JavaScript knows I mean John. You can also do the same with numbers like this. Simple, right? These boxes hold information that your program can use later to make decisions or perform mathematical calculations. Alright, now let's add a little bit of logic. One of the coolest things JavaScript can do is to help your program make decisions, and this is where conditionals come in. Imagine you are checking the weather and deciding whether or not to bring an umbrella. That's essentially what JavaScript can do using an if statement. If it's raining, JavaScript will tell you to grab that umbrella. Otherwise, you are good to go. Conditionals help your program behave differently based on different conditions. Next, let's talk about loops. These are perfect when you want to repeat an action multiple times without writing the same code over and over again. Let's say you want to print numbers 1 to 5. A for loop can handle that for you with just a few lines of code. Can you see how easy it is? Instead of writing 5 console log statements, we just wrote one loop and JavaScript took care of the rest. Alright guys, this will be it for this video. If you found it helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more beginner friendly JavaScript tutorials, and comment what you think about the video, what you think can be improved on, or any video you want me to do next, or any JavaScript topic you want me to teach next, and I'll get right on that. Okay guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one and stay blessed.